Today we're finally making the viral 3-ingredient carnivore bread. It's also keto. So many of you guys have mentioned this 3-ingredient recipe to us, and so we're finally gonna do it today. But it has an ingredient in it that we've never worked with before, so we're kind of nervous about it. That ingredient is whole milk powder. This is dehydrated milk. Perfect for protein in smoothies and milkshakes, or shapes. So this has about 3 grams of total carbs per 1 tablespoon. We're gonna be using this, eggs, and baking powder, and apparently it makes a brioche bun. We're gonna try it. And thank you to Quince for sponsoring today's video. Sarah and I have been customers of Quince for years, and most people know Quince for their clothing and their home essentials. I personally own a whole collection of their cashmere sweaters. I am wearing one right now that Quince gave to me. This is one of their limited colors. It's called Vintage Heather Pink. Even my diamond earrings and my wedding band that my husband bought me are from Quince. And recently, Sarah and I have been really loving these 2 products from their Daily Foundation collection. They are the Superfood Greens and the Collagen Peptides Plus. As we age, our body's natural collagen production can decrease. So we love having an easy way to support healthy skin, hair, nails, hair, nails, bones, joints, and overall healthy aging. And we've also been loving their daily superfood greens. One thing that we love about it is it has 0 grams of added sugar, which is perfect for a keto lifestyle. It has 78 expertly chosen ingredients, and 1 scoop delivers a comprehensive blend of vitamins, minerals, probiotics, and nutrient-dense superfoods that help your body thrive. And Quince's wellness products are made in the USA with clean ingredients and are third-party tested. Check out Quince's offerings today. Just click the link in our description or use the QR code on the screen for free shipping and 365-day returns. Thanks to Quince for sponsoring a video on our channel, and thanks for this beautiful sweater. I love it. Okay, we're gonna start off by cracking 3 eggs into a bowl. Hello? Okay, wow, those are some strong shells. I'm like, is this a hard-boiled egg that you gave me? 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Okay, and 1.5 cups. That's a lot of baking powder. 1.5 cups of milk powder. Smells like milk. We're gonna beat this until it's combined. Wow, it looks like butter. Is there any type of? Are you supposed to Are you supposed to whip it until it's fluffy? Because this doesn't look fluffy enough. It just looks like a batter, and it doesn't have any air in it. So when someone left us a comment, they just kind of said combine all the ingredients and then bake it. And it's not like holding up. So I did some more research and I saw some other people trying it, and they actually whipped together the baking powder with the egg and then added in the milk powder. So you need air in there, and there's no air in here now. So we have to start over. That's okay. Emily has nowhere else to be, right? Sure. All right, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Round 3, because I added the baking powder in with the eggs, and you're just supposed to whip the eggs by themselves. So I'm Mr. Magoo today. Here we go again. Okay, so now we're gonna be adding in our baking powder that we've mixed into the milk powder to kind of expedite it. All right, it looks shaggier. That's a good sign. Okay, so this is very sticky, so you can either use an ice cream scoop, So you can either use an ice cream scoop or your hands, I guess, to create your buns. We are going to be using the ice cream scoop, and we're gonna dip it in water, and that's gonna help to keep it from sticking. Supposedly. Right, wait, exactly. Plug it over here. Where am I going? Anywhere, just please come out of there. That's 1 bun. Maybe space them just in case they spread a little. Okay. Well, at least it's staying upright. So it makes about 3 or more. Okay. Could probably make 5, but right. Yeah, might as well get it all. We've wasted a lot of ingredients for this recipe. It's all part of the Keto Twins test kitchen mentality. AKA, we don't know what we're doing. All right, finally, we're gonna bake these for 20 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees. I turned it off. It's not working. The light's out? Yep. All right, well, bye-bye. New light bulb. We blew a bulb. We blew a gasket. Looks pretty dark. They look good. They smell like biscuits. Okay, we're gonna let them cool, and we're gonna go downstairs and try them. Well, at least we have a bun. A little dark on the edges. Oh, pillowy. Nice.
Looks good.
Can I cut yours for you?
Yes, please.
I think that we should have cooked them a little less. So 25 minutes is too long. I would check in at 18 minutes probably. The other thing I was thinking about was the fact that these are carnivore, and I know that a lot of you guys follow that. But it's kind of got a high carb count because milk has high carbs. So maybe try it with heavy cream powder.
Right.
Because I don't even know the math on it. 1.5 cups of heavy cream powder would have how many carbs in it?
Hold on, let me
1
ask.
tablespoon has 3 grams of...
How many tablespoons are in 1 cup? 16 tablespoons.
16. Okay, so 16 plus 8, 24.
What?
Yeah. 16 plus 8, 1.5 cups plus
What?
equals
How
what?
many?
24.
Yeah, right.
14.5 carbs. Wonderful. It's good.
Okay, but if you did it with heavy cream powder, it would be way less if
Right.
it worked, right? It
Right.
would be like a third of that. Okay,
Right.
so it would be like
So heavy cream
It would be
powder is less than 1 gram of carbs per teaspoon.
it would what, doesn't taste good? When you do that, I feel like it doesn't taste good. It tastes like baking powder.
I mean, we burnt it. It's good. It needs to be cooked less. I'm tasting like that burnt. It's like overcooked. It's got like a malty taste to it or something because of the milk. I don't know.
Like burnt butter.
Yeah.
Like burnt milk color?
It tastes like milk. So this has a lot of carbs in it. So it's carnivore. And you guys, a lot of people think that carnivore and keto are usually switchable, right? Like they come interchangeably. But some people eat honey on carnivore.
Mm-hmm.
It's all about finding out what works for you. I ordered the milk powder last night to do this, and I probably should have ordered heavy cream powder so we could try it. But it's a good bun.
I think heavy cream powder would have done similarly. I think maybe it has more calories.
Probably, but it has way less carbs. Like
It has less sugar in it.
it would be 24 divided by 5. So like 4 grams of net carbs per bun. That's way better.
I think
than
these
the
are
carb.
tasty for
They're tasty.
not having any
But
like
they,
actual
are
bread.
they tasty because they have a decent amount of carbs in them? This half
No.
of it is 7 grams of net carbs. That's a lot.
No, I'm just saying like the texture of it for not having any flour.
It's good.
It's surprisingly
It is.
good, and I think the heavy cream powder would have done better here. Hopefully,
Right.
if it works. If that works, let us know if you guys have tried it, because I feel like maybe a lot of you guys have tried it before. This is our first time trying this recipe. I like it.
Carnivore is not always keto.
Keto is not always carnivore either.
Right. Right. Most of the time. And there you go. And there you go.
And there you have it.
We're a brain trust here today. Swear I'm falling apart mentally.
Sorry.
You know, I started this recipe 3 times today, and I wanted to give up, but you know what? We didn't, because Sarah forced me. She
Yeah.
was like, we're not giving up now.
No, I just took the bowl and I started washing it. We're doing it again.
Because
She just was like staring into the bowl like we were having a debate about how fluffy it needed to be, because she's like, it's fine. It's gonna thicken up. And I'm looking at this like, how are we going to make a bun out of this? It's gonna be a pancake. So sometimes
rain or shine, we film this video. That's what I'm trying to
no,
say.
you don't just give up.
Right.
You try again, right?
And then you realize that the recipe has a lot of carbs in it. But we're always up to learning something new, and maybe use heavy cream powder. That's all we'll have to say. I'm Emily.
I'm Sarah, and we're the Keto Twins signing out.
You just ate as many carbs for your day. I'll just say you have 8 left. Use them wisely.
Gotta be a carnivore for dinner.
Mm-hmm. Good old steak.